Hello everybody, welcome to Main Street Magic Designs. Today is day 6 of our 12 days of Disney inspired DIY Christmas crafts. And we're going to make some Disney princess inspired Christmas ornaments. So first I'm going to start with a bell inspired ornament, and for this one I'm just going to take a glittery gold Christmas ball, some red ribbon, and some red roses to create this one. So I'm just going to take these flowers off, and I'm not going to worry about the sticky back. If it comes off, then I'll put glue over it. If it stays on, I'll still put glue over it. So in this case it came off. So I'm just going to use hot glue. A nice bit of hot glue there. Do is put the other ones in here. I might want to add one more. Give another set. What it looks like. And I'm going to add a little bit of ribbon to hang it with. Yeah. So the next one I'm going to do is a Jasmine inspired Christmas ball. I'm just going to use a glittery blue colored ball, some gold wide ribbon, and a little blue gem. I'm just going to glue the ribbon around with some hot glue, and then in the end put the gem in the center, and then use a little bit of light sparkly ribbon or gold sparkly ribbon, depending on what you like, to hang it from. gonna do a Snow White inspired ornament. I'm gonna use this dark blue Christmas ball, some yellow ruffled ribbon that I got at Joann's, a red ribbon to hang with, and then a little heart and crown to decorate it. Now these were in the button section of the store. There's a heart and the crown. So the first thing I'm going to do is put this around the middle of the ball with some hot glue, just like that, to create a skirt. Crown. And there we have Snow White. What I like about this one is the heart represents some of the red in her dress, but also that the huntsman was supposed to bring back Snow White's heart to the queen, and that the crown reminds you that Snow White's a princess. There's that one. The next ornament I'm going to do is inspired by Aurora Sleeping Beauty. So I made my very own crown out of some gold wired ribbon. I just kind of cut out the shape that I liked and formed it to fit the ornament, and I'm going to glue it so it sits just like so. Wish me luck on this, it's not easy. Put this down here. So just going to kind of put a little bit of glue on the edge of this ribbon, and then quickly get it stuck on. Now the next bit I'm going to add is some white sparkly ribbon. And this is going to kind of make the collar to Aurora's dress. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it around and bring it together in the front. So I'm going to put a little gem in the front. Some ribbon to hang it, and Aurora is done. So those are our 4 ornaments for today: Belle, Jasmine, Snow White, and Aurora. We will have a part 2 and maybe a part 3 of these kind of princess Disney character inspired ornaments to share in the next few days. I hope you enjoyed creating these ornaments with me today, and I hope you'll come back for day 7 of our 12 days of Disney inspired DIY Christmas crafts. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.